रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम चैप्टर नंबर 1 द ब्रिटिश पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम ऑफ गवर्नमेंट चैप्टर 1 फॉर BA पार्ट 2 लेक्चर 2 पढ़ेंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, डिस्कस द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ ट्रेडिशन इन द ब्रिटिश पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम और define the constitutional tradition and discuss its importance. Answer: Dr. Faiz, while praising the constitutional tradition, says that this tradition is a code of political practice which has not been established in the form of laws. Court decisions are parliamentary practice. Rather, their creation is separate from them. Much of the British political system is based on traditions that shed light on the basic tenets of the system of government. Political tradition: there are many actions that are called political tradition. There are many political traditions that affect the work of different branches of government. Yes, the court does not enforce them. This is not actually the law, but they are banned by a law. For example, the principle that a law passed by Parliament automatically gets the approval of the Queen. This principle always invites the leader of the majority party to form a government in the House of Commons. The principle that the ministry is accountable to the House of Commons and the tradition that the Nawab cannot participate in the court system of Darul Amra and he belongs only to those who run the government. Political tradition does not play as important a role in the political system of any other country as it does in Britain. Probably a factor as to why they are doing so poorly. Thus, in Mazda's word, the British Constitution is a collection of court decisions, common law, exemplary examples, customs, and traditions. The development of a political tradition in a constitutional is as accidental and unconscious as the development of customs in a society. In practice, there are some traditions in the Constitution that not only add to the rules of the Constitution, but in practice the law take the place of the laws. The fact is that the tradition of the Constitution does not play as important a role in the political system of any country in the world as it does in the Constitution of the United Kingdom. This is because the British people do not believe much in abstract ideas. Prior to the passage of the West Centre Magazine Act of 1931, relations between the respective sovereign states and the United Kingdom were established in the light of tradition. This law has legalized these traditions. Daisy says that traditions are situations and practices that, however, regulate the general role of crown ministers and other gentlemen under the constitution. Political traditions concerning the Queen or the crown. The Queen invites the leaders of the majority party in the House of Commons and invites her to remove the government. Goes legally she can reject it, but it has become a political tradition that she will not use her discretionary power. In political matters, it usually follows the advice of ministers. Instead, it returns it to the House of Commons on the advice of the Prime Minister. Political tradition with the ministry. If the majority of the people express no confidence in the ministry, then the ministry resigns or asks the Queens to break up the House of Commons. The Prime Minister is always a public servant. This ministry as a whole is accountable to the people for its actions and policies. Therefore, distrust of a minister means distrust of the ministry. Political tradition has to do with Parliament. Parliament must convene at least one session a year to fulfill its mandate. Financial bills or laws are initially presented in the House of Commons. The Speaker of the House is above party politics and natural. When the courtiers act as a court, only the legal Nawabs take part in its proceedings. The journals do not take part in the court proceedings of the courtiers. There is also a violation of the law. Their importance is assessed in relation to the political tradition. The harmony of the various organs of the entire constitutional system of government is expressed on the political tradition. The political tradition has played an important role in the constitutional evolution of England. The freedom and security of the people and the perfect democracy, because all the kings of the political tradition have a close relationship. Thank you.